2019 Dodge Durango 5. I almost said Charger. Dodge Durango 5.7 liter HEMI. HEMI. If you're gonna get a Dodge and an SUV, you gotta get this. Anyways, it's got stock converters there and there. Then it's true dual all the way back. Usually has that suitcase in the middle. We cut it out and put these beautiful pipes, 3-inch, or actually 2.5, sorry, in the middle to continue, and then it's continued 2.25 out the back, true dual again, and then we put 2.25 tailpipes there, or 2.5-inch pipe tailpipe, sorry, there and there, and cut the rears right there, cut the middle right there, and put some 4-inch black tips rolled. They didn't want it too much. But there you go. What do you guys think? I like it. I can't wait to hear it. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, all that good, beautiful stuff. All right, guys. 2021 Dodge Durango 392. Beautiful car. I don't know how many miles are on it, but very little. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. And we did our signature true dual straight pipe, as you guys can see. So we cut the mid muffler off there and there, run true duals all the way in the back to the back, there and there, out the back. Did a rear resonator delete also. He likes it loud, I don't blame him. There and right there, into some 4-inch black tips. Came out really nice by 12s. Be a link in the description for them. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it, resonators, and there's the big muffler in the middle. So basically it just lost about 50 pounds worth of weight just by doing that. That's what it looks like after. Came out really nice, really clean. We'll let you guys hear it. And there's that SRT right there. And oh, I like it. Woo-hoo. That sounds good. Your sound decibels again. Dodges never disappoint, man. There's the resonators and mufflers we cut off right there. Get him out of his way. He's gonna get on it for us. See, when you love your wife, you get her a V8. Oh man, it makes you feel alive. Again? Let you guys hear on that. There we go. Wow. My God. That actually made me step back, guys. Your sound decibels again. Again. 121. I need some earplugs, man. I don't know how much longer I can be able to hear. It's got a nice idle to it, too. Dodge Durango 2021. True dual, straight pipe. Oh, let you guys hear this. said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. Look at that idle. It sounds so good. I want to do the new ones with the Hemi, with the Hellcat motor. It's so beautiful. You can still hear it all the way. It's all the way up the hill. That's crazy. Durango SRT 392 2021 Beast. True dual straight pop. Watch how it's gonna fly away. Beast mode. Wow, you can still hear it. Wow.